book of accounts already. So right now I'm going to record the transactions happened here, like pioneers. I have 1st of August to 31st of August. I had made one sales invoices. Okay, let's make one more invoice for the sample training. So I'm going to create one sales register. I'm going to add it for, what's the company name? Projects Pioneer. Okay, so I'm going to add a new invoice number. Let's say we are going to provide project support services. Say we'll do monthly billing. Say 50,000. Okay, and I'm going to post it directly. So I don't need to select the complete cycle. You can, if you have the access directly post, you can select which one, and you can directly post it. Okay. Now it's verified, approved, and then only it will post to the book of accounts. So now it's already posted. So I have 2 transactions happen to this Pioneers Project Pioneers company. Okay, so now I have to receive 86,480 real. These 2 transactions are added in there. So right now I'm going to prepare an account statement or receivable statement and send it to my client. Okay, so after 30 days, right? This is 30 days. 29 September it is due on, and this one is due on 5th of October based on the submission date we did. Now I'm going to prepare the receivables report. I can go to reports, receivables report. When I click on receivables report, it will give me the receivable report with the details of the invoice and how much we have received and how much is balance is there or any credited is there, pending amount with the aging, and the total amount will be available in there. So right now it shows the month also. What is this month means? You remember the effective date we choose, 31 July and August. So it depends on which month's invoice we are going to make. That is also being available in there. The PO number and due date will also be showing in there. Now if you want, sometimes you might be taking the account statement, means the debit and credit you want to show them. I can go and take the report by account statement by ledger account. Okay, so it gives me what is being debited, what is being credited, and voucher number, and what type of sales and particulars of it. So now I prepared this account statement. I can also send it by email.
Any other templates?
Record this one again. Okay, so we have 2 transactions happened in here, 28,000 and 57,500, and
this one can be printed like this, right?
yes, as it is.
Show the print.
It's okay. Okay, now if I see this one, I can let's say I have 86,480 real worth of money we have to receive from them. I send a statement to the client. They say I will release the first payment, or I will release a partial payment of this particular invoice, or I will release all the bills one time, 86,000 I will pay you. So how the money will come in? It will come in 2 ways, cash or bank. And how the money will go outside of your business will be 2 ways also, cash or bank payment. So all these 4 transactions are recorded here. Okay, so let's say here the 4 transactions will be recorded in there. Whatever it involves money in there which comes inside your business or goes out of your business, you will record it in this transaction. Almost 90% of your transactions will be recorded from this one. Apart from that, you will be having other entries like money paid by your owner to the supplier, or we have depreciation. There is no money went out. Yeah. So we are just recording the depreciation and accruals, payables, many things will be coming in. These are all recorded in here. Even a sales voucher entry is also a non-cash transaction, correct? This is itself, it's not there is no cash involved in there. So it will be treated as a sales voucher. Okay, so sales voucher, purchase voucher, and journal entries. Okay. Journal entries, you can enter the transaction directly, debit and credit, you can specify. Okay, so right now I'm going to receive the money. So I can go and say, how do I receive it? So I can click on bank receipt. Now, when I click on bank receipt, it gives me the voucher number of the bank receipt. You can narrate this one, BR 28001. So it means that on August I am going to record this one. This is the first transaction in the August, and the voucher date and effective date. You know about the effective date what we talked about. So receiving account, I have multiple bank accounts. I'm going to receive it from a particular bank account. I can choose that one. And you don't need to change anything because the system handles a debit and credit. If you want to change, you can change also. So don't change any debit or credit. I can say from where I received this money. I received this money from Projects Pioneer Company. So I will say how much I received. Let's say I want to receive 10,000 as a partial payment. So I will type partial payment received from PP or something like that, and I click on add. Once I add, the journal will be automatically added into the journal entry for debit the bank account and credit the client account will be automatically added. Now it also asks me which invoice you received against. I have two bills pending with them, so I can choose which bill I'm going to record it for. They might be released for this bill or might be this for this bill. So I will select this bill and click on add. Now this invoice is recorded for that transaction. I will write, if I want every line item, I can write the narration for it, or I can also write the whole narration, the whole voucher narration also. Also I can write the check number or the reference number I have, and I also attach the document. You know, remember we attach some documents, so I can click on it. It will ask me which file I want to. I can attach that particular transaction also and save and close. Now yeah, I'm going to show you. So I want to open it as one and print review. So this is the voucher transaction. It shows me it's a bank receipt on voucher date, effective date, and debit credit. What is the amount? It's
Can you switch the...
now we
So
use
coming from right to left, it
Yeah.
should be from left to right. The other way.
we follow the Arabic one. They particularly asked us to
You
change
always follow this.
Yes.
Yani when all the program comes like this.
in vouchers, invoices we follow. Because it's right to left. You know, we gave them before it was in left to right, but they said it should be in Arabic. Vouchers must be in
Who said?
Arabic from Zakka people. You know, we sent this for approval. They said even the invoice. You see the flow.
Then
Vouchers
vouchers is hard. Even for me, I'm Arabic guy. It's confused
Debit.
me.
Used to.
Yeah, it's the other way.
Okay, so now I'm going to take the
There's an
receivables.
option in it to adjust this.
No, right now no. We have the same voucher format. It's debit and credit. That's it.
Will kill us until we get used on it.
You will be easily.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
Show it again, please. Show
Which
it
one?
again. Show it again, please, Brian.
It's not clear in there. No?
One second.
What's it?
1 second, please.
Yeah. We'll pause the. Correct.
Now we are.
Half an hour more. Okay.
Yeah.
So we will say 76,480 real. We need to receive this one. So right now, what happened is we made a invoice and we posted it into the book of accounts, and we received the money in Riyadh Bank, and it reflects in the book of accounts. Right now, I want to check what happened in my Riyadh account, so Riyadh Bank account. So I can go and check for Riyadh Bank account. All my GL accounts will be showing here, and I see I have already 1 million in my bank account. Right now it added 10,000, so I have 1,072,000 in my account. Same transactions which is reflected in there. So right now, so we have seen how this goes in there. The same concept will be available for your cash receipt also. So we received the money, we put the sales invoices, we received the money, and we saw the transaction goes in and how it reflects in your receivable statement and account statement. So let's go and continue with the invoicing part. We'll see. In this invoices, we have seen all the components of project engineers and all those things. Now, you want to discuss that arranging and rearranging, because he doesn't have that. No? We'll go with that. No? Okay. So right now, we'll talk about this screen. Okay. So this screen has this full screen was there. Okay, whatever you want to change it in the screen and how to change the layout of the screen, how can I take a report based on the screen, we will see with an example. Okay.